Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon para pa-contest ang 2007 8 Hot Prospect Retail Box ni Sir Dex. We have 10 items now live. Okay, the time is 9:24. Okay, rule: 2 dice roll, lowest 5, top spot wins. Okay, dice roller, top spot win. Okay, wala nakalagay. Roll dice. 6 and 1. 6 and 1. 7 times. Okay, good luck. This randomizer, hindi ko pa nakaka-copy. Copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items. Okay, randomize 7 times. The time is 9:25. 10 items. Sorry, bad request. Kaya natin kung mare-refresh. Continue. Okay, 2 times. Okay, DJ Maverick on top. Third, KP. Fourth, Oliver. Fifth, DJ. 6 times, Sir KP. 10 items. 6 times, we roll a 7. The time is 9:26. Last random. Okay, good luck. Okay, and for the 7 times, 10 items, congratulations, Sir Oliver, for winning the Hot Prospect Box.